Hi. So, did you like my earlier story on Sindbad Mode? And did you apply anything? So, today I am with another story on Sindbad Mode. Another benefit of being in Sindbad Mode. This mode makes you unstoppable. As I said, when you are in a void, you can't see any visible result. There is large expansion of sea. You get into an unlimited mindset. There's nothing and there's anything which is possible. So in Sinbad mode, you're limited and you're unlimited at the same time. You're limited because you can't create results immediately, but you're unlimited with your visualization, creating what it's going to be once you reach that shore. So in Sinbad mode, the only option of somebody who's in a voyage to discover a new place would be imagine the place with excitement. Otherwise, the entire time, the entire journey will be very boring, won't be that spiritful. What it means for you in your daily life is when you're about to meet a new person, when you're about to go to a new place, make a new decision, create it with excitement in your inner world. Trust me, if you look at things differently, things change. It is like imagining your wedding day. It is like imagining your graduation. It is like imagining your first salary. What kind of imagination are you going to have? It would be exciting. It would be out of the world. So similarly, in everyday situations, which are not this big life events, you can turn on your Sinbad mode and make your curiosity go full volume rather than the radio of your head, which levels and limits the possibility. If you find this exciting, try it out. Create the client that you're going to meet as your long-term client. Treat the interviewer who's going to take your interview as being a patient and an empathetic person who can be a guide or mentor when you join this new job. Create the place that you're going to visit is safe, is beautiful, is going to take care of all your needs. Create the organization that you're going to join in as the organization where you thrive, where you grow exponentially, and people are there waiting to help you. So create an exciting new land in your mind before you set your foot into it. And that's the feeling of being in Sinbad mode. So be busy and blessed. Debeshi.